When you're camping, an axe, a saw, and a hammer all come in handy. But why haul them all if you don't have to?
You can search the deepest corners of the forest and never find a tool as versatile as the 4-in-1 Woodsman by Zippo Outdoor. It's got the heft to drive stakes into hard ground and the leverage to pull them out again. The 4-in-1 Woodsman converts to a bow saw with a cam blade tensioner and a sheath that doubles as a comfortable, non-slip hand grip. And it changes back again, so you can make dry tinder to help start your campfires. The 4-in-1 Woodsman features a sheath that doubles as a saw handle, a set screw that's an integral part of the sheath, securely connecting the sheath to the axe blade and securing one end of the saw blade. It has a 5-inch full-tang axe head, a high-performance engineered polymer handle wrapped around a full metal shaft, with a 15-inch metal saw blade that stores inside the handle, a tent stake puller, and a stake driver. The 4-in-1 Woodsman. It's a handy camp tool. It's a survival tool. It's one tool that lets you leave 3 others at home.